Welcome to our video series, Feature Focus Spotlight by SonicWall. Today's topic, the powerful NSv Bootstrapping feature. In this video, we'll navigate through the features and benefits of SonicWall's Gen 7, and we'll also see a demonstration of the bootstrapping process in action. If you are already familiar with the features of Sonic0S 7.1.1 and want to see the migration demonstration, you may jump ahead in the time bar below and click on the chapter labeled NSv Bootstrap Showcase Demo. Whether you're an end user seeking enhanced security or a SonicWall partner eager to empower your clients, this video will explore how the new release can elevate your cybersecurity and make network management effortless. Before we dive into the features of Sonic0S 7.1.1, let's take a moment to preview the list of chapters in this video. We open with Setting the Stage, where we will explore the many features of the Gen 7 firewall series, which is the foundation for our latest Sonic0S release. Next is Exploring the 7.1.1 release, where we'll dive into the high-level features and benefits of Sonic0S. During the NSv Bootstrap feature, we'll introduce and explain key functionality. In end-user benefits, we will delve into why this new feature matters for both end users and partners. In the chapter Exploring the operation of the NSv Bootstrap feature, we will dive into details about the feature and how it works. During the NSv Bootstrap Showcase Demo, we will guide you through a step-by-step demonstration of setting up the new feature. Then, the final chapter is our call to action for you to engage with SonicWall representatives, to ask questions, to explore additional features, and to begin a new experience in network security. Setting the stage. The Gen 7 Firewall series elevates SonicWall's cybersecurity strength by living up to our core mission: deliver unparalleled protection against evolving threats, setting a new standard in security excellence. Gen 7 firewalls form the cornerstone of a robust cybersecurity infrastructure that addresses today's challenges while anticipating tomorrow. Whether you're an IT pro or a newcomer, you will appreciate innovations that strengthen your network security and make it easier to manage. SonicWall goes beyond providing a product; we offer a solution and our commitment to your security. Exploring the SonicWall 7.1.1 release. Managing network security is complex, but SonicWall Gen 7 firewalls offer a straightforward solution that blocks advanced cyber attacks, while it evaluates and mitigates risks, and even simplifies how you manage your network. Gen 7 firewalls play a crucial role in safeguarding organizations against various threats, ensuring continuous protection from sophisticated attacks. Our commitment to staying ahead in cybersecurity is evident through our continuous hardware and software enhancements. Here's what's new in Sonic0S 7.1.1. Notable additions include advanced threat protection, a revamped content filter, enhanced DNS security, and seamless integration with Aruba ClearPass NAC. We've also significantly improved multi-cloud deployments based on feedback we received about previous performance and registration processes. Additional enhancements include NSv Bootstrapping, token-based registration, and a new driver for NSv that increases overall performance. We also prioritized ease of use and operations by enhancing the app experience with a better user interface. Plus, we added support for Wi-Fi 6 access points. This comprehensive list of improvements reflects SonicWall's dedication to providing robust cybersecurity solutions and engineering user-friendly interfaces and processes. NSv Bootstrap feature. Bootstrapping involves deploying the NSv system using a predefined template or customized configurations, ensuring it is ready for operation immediately after deployment. To enhance this deployment method, we've introduced token-based registration and authentication, allowing the NSv to register seamlessly during the automated deployment process. While initially supported in KVM deployments, the 7.1.1 firmware release extends compatibility to include VMware, Hyper-V, AWS, and Azure, expanding the range of supported platforms for a more versatile deployment experience. End-user benefits. The integration of bootstrapping into NSv signifies a significant advancement in simplifying the deployment and management of next-generation firewall instances. A key improvement lies in the automation of NSv deployment, streamlining the initial setup process for increased efficiency and reduced error susceptibility. This is particularly beneficial for organizations aiming to deploy NSv instances rapidly and at scale, specifically focusing on simplifying large-scale deployments as the second notable feature. Bootstrapping also gives the firewall expanded support for virtualization platforms, including VMware and Hyper-V, alongside compatibility with leading cloud services such as AWS and Azure. This feature ensures seamless integration of NSv into diverse IT infrastructures. To further enhance the user experience, token-based licensing simplifies product registrations, expedites the registration process, and augments security and flexibility in managing NSv instances. Operation of the NSv Bootstrap feature. The user must log into mySonicWall.com first and input the NSv serial number and authentication code, which will generate a registration token. Then, the user puts the token into the settings file and converts this file into an ISO file. The ISO file is mounted to the NSv. Please note that the design of bootstrapping is only to support a very basic set of configurations to keep Bootstrap as simple as possible. After all the steps are completed, bootstrapping will occur when booting up the new NSv on your cloud environment. NSv initiates the bootstrapping process only when the system is not registered. This means it is activated during the initial deployment of NSv or when the system is factory defaulted. It's important to note that due to this feature, the NSv firewall may undergo multiple reboots during the bootstrap process. If any issues arise, we recommend you check the system console for details on the problems encountered during the bootstrap. The bootstrap process comprises several steps, starting with verifying the bootstrap file. NSv halts and reads the content from the first discovered file, serving as the bootstrap configuration. Subsequently, it verifies the data within the bootstrap file, ensuring the presence of a valid serial number and authentication code. The bootstrap then applies the serial number, authentication code, interface settings, and SonicOS login before initiating a system restart. In the final stage, the bootstrapping attempts to register NSv if an internet connection is available. NSv Bootstrap Showcase Demo. While connected to the mySonicWall portal, examine the specifics of your NSv. Ensure that you have already registered it. If you haven't, we recommend that you register it and then review the detailed information. Once you see the information from your product, click the plus button next to registration token in the product details main menu. You'll see a confirmation message: the token has been generated for you. Copy the token, serial number and authentication code where you will need this information for the next steps. In this demo, we'll apply bootstrapping on an NSv 270 for a VMware infrastructure. We'll start by creating the file necessary for Bootstrap. We are using Linux to create the required file for the NSv Bootstrap function. Consider these rules before creating the file. Only static or DHCP is supported for interface configuration during bootstrapping. Bootstrap only works with interfaces X0 or X1. Settings on other interfaces are skipped. Only SSH management is supported. Only online registration is supported, so the product must have access to the network for it to work. Bootstrap will try to register for a limited period after bootup. If it fails, it will not retry. During the bootstrap process, NSv may reboot several times. If everything works fine, you will see the message "No need to bootstrap" because NSv is registered in the administration app. If not, check the system console to see what goes wrong during bootstrap. Please, complete the file as shown in the screenshot with your information and save the file with the name Sonic0S.bootstrap. After you save the file, you need to create an ISO from it. Use the command shown in the screenshot to build the ISO file. The file will be saved in the current folder. Copy the file and paste it into your VMware data store. Configure the NSv virtual machine settings and set the DVD to use the ISO located at your VMware data store. Select the ISO file and click OK. Remember to connect the unit to the virtual machine. To continue, click OK. You can now start the NSv270 virtual machine. After the first boot process completes, you will see a message Bootstrap Stage 1 completed. The firewall to reboot itself for the first time. Once the firewall reboots, it registers and shows the message Bootstrap registration completed, and the firewall reboots one more time. After this second reboot, you can see the message "No need to bootstrap" because NSv is registered. If you log into the firewall, after setting the new password, you can verify the IP configuration has been applied to interfaces X0 and X1. From my SonicWall portal, we can confirm the firewall has been successfully registered. We can also connect to the firewall graphical user interface and check the initial configuration for interfaces X0 and X1, as well as the registration status from the main dashboard. The same configuration information can be found in detail in the network's main navigation menu. By selecting the device main menu and navigating to the Licenses option, you can access details about the current registration and license status. With this last check, we come to the end of the NSv Bootstrapping demo. Conclusion and call to action. Gen 7 and Sonic0S 7.1.1 mark a significant milestone in SonicWall's journey to excellence. So, there's more to learn. You can start by exploring your upgrade options. If you are a partner or current SonicWall product user, check the user portal at My SonicWall for the latest features and updates. If you are new to SonicWall, please reach out to your SonicWall representative or solution engineer today by scanning the QR code on the screen. Subscribe for future feature-focused Spotlight episodes for more insights on other developments and updates from SonicWall. Thanks for watching.